Hey there, let me tell you about my secret weapon in the kitchen. Microwave steamed vegetables. Have you ever wanted to enjoy fresh, vibrant veggies without spending hours on prep? Well, here's how I do it. Just pop the bag in the microwave and in just 5 minutes, I have perfectly steamed broccoli, carrots, and asparagus, all packed with nutrients, no mess, no fuss, and all the flavor I crave. These veggies are not only a healthy side dish, but also super versatile. I toss them in salads, stir fries, or even create a pasta masterpiece. And the best part? They are ready in a flash, giving me more time to enjoy dinner with loved ones. So next time you're in the kitchen, skip the chopping and steaming. Embrace the ease of microwave steamed vegetables. Your taste buds will thank you, and so will your schedule.